Academy. In this video we are discussing the example based on order of operation. Here you can see in title the answer is not 13. So how we'll get the answer 13? First of all, we solve the 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay, 10 minus 10 is 0 and minus 3 here and minus 10 here. So we analyze when we multiply minus 0 with minus 1 with 0, so minus 0, and then minus into minus plus, then plus 3. So here result is 10 plus 3 equal to 13. So this is the wrong method. By calculation and by calculator we are using, then we get the another answer. So how to solve? 10 minus 10 minus 10 so here is 10 minus 10 minus 10 0. Okay, and minus 3 is same. So now this zero value is neglected. Okay, neglected this zero value, then positive 10 and minus 3. So when we positive 10 and minus 3, we will get the answer is 7. So final answer of this question is 7. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video. If you are new, not watching the previous video on hardest Bodmas question and Bodmas order of operation for beginners, so watch this video and join this playlist.